Hi everyone, it's Kay here. Thank you for joining me today, and thank you to all the people that have subscribed to my channel lately, and thank you to all the subscribers that are sticking with me. That's really great for you. That's really lovely. Thank you. I'm sharing with you a journal that I've made using an heirloom collection that I bought from Spotlight, and I shared that particular collection on Thrifty Thursday. This Thrifty Thursday just gone. So this is the journal I made using those items. I've tied it with some really pretty lace, and I have some lace on the spine. I've used some Tim Holtz dolls for the front and some flowers. I haven't called this journal anything particular because I didn't know what to call it really. So it's a hardcover using a recycled book cover, and but it's got a soft spine because I had a bit of trouble using the original spine, and it has a cloth material cover on it. So inside I have got some pockets, got some elements here. There's a bum pocket that's sort of like that using Tim Holtz doll. It's a bit of fun. Because the paper was a bit not overly thick, I stuck 2 pages together to get a bit of stability, so there's 2 pages stuck together on most of them. I've used stenciling and some stamping through some of the things, and some die cuts. This is a sewing pattern that I thought fitted in well. A bit of a ephemera here with some journaling spot in the back. Don't always use a lot of stuff on every page, so the person who buys this journal can use it how they have, and I include things that they can decorate the pages with. Some more info. Here's a bank page and a receipt page, some stenciling. The book I chose this particular second-hand old book because the blue matched the blueness of the collection that I thought. But I know that side is orange, but it was very hard to find particular just blue on both sides. Some more paper from the collection, and here I've got another tag. I've clipped this one in so because it's got a back that I thought was quite pretty, and also to give it a bit more dimension. So I just used the collection to make that tag from using a masterboard. And more stamping and stenciling. Nothing on that page. I also found some wallpaper that matched the collection, so use that. This is a fold out day calendar with no dates on there. There's a little old calendar here from 1917 in there. So I created a sort of flip out there using a punch that I got. Again, I shared that on Thrifty Thursday. It was pretty good value, I thought, that punch. More wallpaper, and I've used the die cut again. A bit of glue string here. Won't come off. Some more wallpaper. This is the back of one of the pages. I just kept that one blank. I didn't stick anything on the back of that one because I just wanted to keep that as a white page for the person to use as they want to see it as the back. And I've got one of those Tim Holtz ephemera holders here with different ephemera in there, some little labels for the person to use however they want to throughout the journal. Other little bits and pieces in here that I thought were vintage like, just to add the person can use them to decorate their pages or leave them as they are. Create their own ephemera, up to them. Lined page, my mouth's not getting the words out again today. Stamping and stenciling. 2 pages again from the collection stuck together. Part of the old book. Some photocopy paper. A pocket here with some couple of elements here. One on the back. I know I've stuck that upside down because I just thought that the jagged edging was interesting. More die cut here. This is a stamp here which delineates this sort of like fold out here. I didn't glue that down, but the person who wanted to could glue that down if they wanted to. Back of the sewing pattern. Stenciling and stamping. Pocket here with some ephemera. Journaling cards that match the collection. That's the one signature. This is the second signature, again with pockets. This one's not got a backing to it because it's a receipt. And this is an egg board one, a vintage egg board paper, and that one is backed. Some more die cut, stenciling, stamping, another part of the pattern. They use part of the collection to put that word down, and I've got some tissue paper from the pattern as well. So little, again I stuck the 2 pages together. Some bingo cards and this little tuck spot here, which I decorated with a die cut. Stenciling and stamping. Another part of the book, a bit of stamping here, part of the book again. And there's more of the collection. And this one here I've used a big paper clip here because it's one of those pockets here that fold out, and inside the pocket is a bit of a journaling spot, bit of a fun thing, I think. And that would be right, it's come out because that was a bit tricky. I might have to use some of the, what do they call them, some of the circle wraparound things, I don't know what they call them. For the next ones I make like that. I use a recycled giveaway from Woolworths for that one. More of the pattern, another folder. I kept the folder as is so the person could see the dress. Bit of die cutting on the edge to make it look pretty. Another paper, I didn't use the back there. Wallpaper again. This is an ephemera holder. It's got ephemera in there. I won't pull it all out so the person's got a bit of a surprise. The buyer's got a bit of a surprise. I love making journals, but with the current climate, I'm thinking that not many people are not buying them. I've reduced them as much as I can in my Etsy shop, and I'll put my link to my Etsy shop below. Given because of the current climate, people don't have a lot of spare money, but just have to rethink about what I'm going to do with those. Oh, sorry. This is I've stuck that on to another page. Oops. Stick that off. Sorry. Try again, Kay. Oh, now I've stuck to the page. Oh dear. And there's the envelope that the pattern was in. Put a bit of ephemera from the collection in there. There's got a journaling card there. There's some washi tape on it to give it a bit of interest. Some calculations written by the person who had the pattern. Another journaling card using a masterboard. Just put some lace on the side and some washi tape just to give it a bit of stability because it's such an old envelope. These patterns came from a long time ago. There's some stitching from the collection. Wallpaper. This is a little pocket here with just a journaling card, just on some white card that one is, so just left that one blank. Another flip out here, that can be used however you like. A tag, part of the journal is just part of the old book that I had, but it's got some orange as well as the blue. Little tuck spot here with some things in there, just a number and a baggage tag. This is a recycled slide that I covered in the washi tape that I had in the journal, and I have these slides actually for sale in my Etsy shop if you want to check them out to add to your journal a bit of interest. A word from the collection, stenciling and stamping, some tags, 2 from the collection, just using the collection, and 1 from another collection, but I added some little tags, some different bits of ephemera in there as well. So that's bit of fun. There's the other tag. Nothing on the back, sorry. Waving it around and you probably can't see, sorry. Stuck 2 pages again here with this one. And I use the back, I sort of folded it over to create these pockets for lots of them. And here in the back pocket, in the back page, I've just got some other ephemera and some Eiffel Tower from the collection and a piece of lined paper that came from the collection, but I haven't got any backing on them, so the person can use them. I like some die cuts, some old bank pages, and a film strip if I want to use that. And I use some metal corners here, and like I said, there's the lace. I actually have got my name here, Papercraft with K, and I really hope that you like that journal, and it's not very expensive, this journal, so if you like it, just check it out, and give me the thumbs up, make a comment, that'll be really great, and we hope to see you next time. Thank you so much for joining me today. Bye bye.